Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to RV online classes. In previous class, we have completed up to exercise 2.2. Now, exercise 2.3. First question. Which of the following not represent which of the following will not represent zero. See here, this is the first question of exercise 2.3. Which of the following will not represent 0? See here, in that A, 1 plus 0, 0 into 0, C, 0 by 2, and D, 10 minus 10 divided by 2. See here, what they said, which of the following is not represent 0? If you will solve these four questions, if you will solve this A, B, C, D, which of them are not represent 0? So, let's solve this. First one, see here, A, 1 plus 0. If we will add 1 in 0, we will get 1. Next here, B, see B, 0 into 0. 0 is multiplied by any number is 0. So 0 into 0, 0. If 0 is multiplied by any number, it will get 0 only. Next, C, 0 divided by 2. If 0 divided by any number, then also it becomes 0. If 2 divided by, suppose 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0 is not 0, not defined, infinity. So this one is not defined, but 0 divided by 2 is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. Now, let's come to D part. D, 10 minus 10 divided by 2. 10 minus 10, 0. 0 divided by 2, it also 0. So see here, which of the following will not represent 0? So this one 0, this one 0, this one 0. These B, C and D represent 0, but A part is not represent 0. So A is will not represent 0. Understood? 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, not 0. So in these four, A part is not represent 0. Understood? Hope you understood, students. Next comes to our next part, second. Second question. If the product of two whole numbers, if the product of two whole number is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Will be 0. Justified through example. Example. See here what they said. If the product means multiplication here. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, See, if the product of two numbers, whatever it may be, if the product of two numbers is 0, if the product means multiplication, if the two numbers, if the product of two number is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through example. See here example. Can we say one or both of them? Take one as a 0, another as a, take another number. 0 into, for example, 2. One is 0, another one is whole number. See here, these two are whole number. One is 0, another is 2. 0 into anything. 0 multiply any number is 0. 0 multiply any number is 0. Take another example. 0 into 0. 0 into 0 also 0. 698 into 0. This is also 0. So here, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Yes. If one is 0, then the product also, the answer also 0. If two numbers also 0, two numbers also 0, then it will be also, this is also 0. So, yes, we can say that. So, justify through examples. So, these are the examples. Hope you understood. Next comes to our third part. Third part. Third question. If the product of two whole numbers, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1. Will be 1. Justify through example. Justify through examples. Same in like previous problem. In previous problem, they said the two whole numbers, if the product of two whole number is 0, here 1. So let's see. What they said, if the product of two whole numbers, see here, suppose these are two whole numbers, product means multiplication. If the product of two whole number is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? See here, one or both of them will be 1. See here, one is 1 and another one, see, example, one number is 1 and another number is 3. One is 1 and another number is 3. It will get 1 3 we will get the answer 3, because here 1 3 3. Multiply 1 with any number. Multiply 1 with any number, you will get the same number. In 0, if we will multiply by 0 multiplied by any number, we will get 0 only. Here, if 1 is multiplied by any natural number, any whole numbers, you will get the same number. Remember this point. Next, we can say that one or both of them will be 1. See here, 1. Both of them will be 1. See, take both numbers to 1. 1 ones are 1. So this answer is correct, but this is not. See here. If the product of two whole number is 1, product of two whole number is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Both of them will, this is wrong, but both of numbers 1, it is correct, but 1 is not correct answer, because 1 into any other whole numbers, you will get the same number. 1, 3 are 3. Hope you understood. Next comes to our third question. Sorry, fourth question. Find using distributive property. Find using distributive property. Fourth question. Find using distributive property. Find using distributive property. See here, first we will see what is distributive property. In previous problems, I have explained A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. This one is your distributive property under addition, because here the sign is plus. So distributive property under addition. Take this formulas and solve this. We will solve it. See, in that A 728 into 101. See, a previous problem we have solved. 728 keep as it is. 728 keep as it is. Split this as a split 101 as 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 also 101. 101 also 101. See now. We have split it. Now take this A into B plus C. We will get A into B plus A into C. Why we are taking here plus? Because distributive property under addition. Now this is A, this is B, and this one is C. A, B, and C. Substitute the value of A, B, C in this equation. We will get 728 into 100 because A into B plus A into C. A is 728 into C is 1. This is easy for you. Now 728 ones are 728 double 0. This is multiplication. So add. Next plus as it is 728 ones are 728. Now add this. Here there are two zeros, so write same numbers. 28 keep as it is 7. Your third number is 7 and your third number is 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 is 3, and keep 7 as it is. So your answer is 73,528. Yes. Hope you understood. Once again I will explain. Dear students, see here, find using distributive property. Here, not to worry, because it is simple problem. First, distributive. What is distributive property? A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Here there are only two numbers, two whole numbers. So for this we will split this 101 as 100 plus 1. Understood? A into B plus C. We will get this in the form of A into B, A into B plus C. So we will split 100 as 100 plus 1. Now take this as A, this as a B, and this as a C. Now substitute these values in this equation. 728 into 100 plus 728 into 1. A into B plus A into C. Now 728 hundreds are 72,800 plus 728 ones are 720. Now add this here. There are two zeros here. 28. So keep 28 as it is because 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, 8 plus 7 is 15, 5, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 7 as it is. So your answer is 73,528. Now, hope you understood. Let's come to our B part. I will explain here. B 5,437 into 1,001. Same as it is. Take your distributive property. First, split 1,000 as 1,001 as 1,000 plus 1. Understood? 1,001 as 1,000 plus 1. 1,000 plus 1 also is 1,001. So this is in the form of A into B plus C. This is in the form of A into B plus C. This is distributive property. Distributive property A into B plus A into C. Now, this is A, this is B, and this one is C. Substitute A, B, C in equation. A value is 5,437 into 1,000. Keep plus as it is. Next A value is 5,437 into C is 1. Now multiply 5,437. 1 is 5,437. 3 zeros. Add here 3 zeros. Plus 5,437. 1 is 5,437. This as it is. Now add this. First here, there are 3 zeros, here 3 numbers, write as it is 7, 3, 4. Now remaining one number here 5. 5 plus 7, 12, 2, 1 here, carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 as it is, 5. Here, 54,42,437. This is your answer. Hope you understood. I will give to homework, write it and send it to my WhatsApp number. Take homework. C 824 into 25 and E 504 into 35. See here. See, I will explain. See students, take 25 as 20 into 5. Split this 25 here. 25 into 20 plus 5. Split this 25. Here, split 500 plus 4. Split this one. 500 plus 4 into 35. Like this and multiply. Okay, this is easy. Solve this. Next, D part. D part. $4,275 into 125. 4,275 into 125. Here, see how I will split. Here, split 4,275 keep as it is. Here, take 125 as 100 plus 25. But 25 it goes lengthy multiplication. You will split 25 as a 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. So here there are 3 solutions. See here. In place of 125, write as 100 plus 20 plus 5 with This multiply 4275. Multiply 4275 with these three numbers. Understood? Split 125 as 100 plus 20 plus 25. Now, see here. 4,275 into 100, first with first, plus 4,275 first with second, plus 4,275 with 5. See here, there are three solutions here. One, first with first, plus first with second, plus first with third. Understood? Now simplify. Multiply. 4,275 into 1, 4,275, double zero. Plus here, multiply 4,275 into 2. Right, multiply directly. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 15, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 5, 4 2s are 2 4s are 8. Write this 0. Understood? Next. Multiply 5 with this number plus 5 is a 25, 2 carry, 5 7 is a 35, 36, 37, 3 carry, 5 2 is a 10, 3 30, 3 1 carry, 5 2 is a 20, 20. So this is your product. Now here add these three numbers. Add these three numbers. 4,27,500, 85,500. Next 21,375. Add these numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 3 13. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 40. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 13. 4 plus 1 5. 5 lakh 34,375. So this is your answer. 5,34,375. See here, once again I will explain, dear students. Listen carefully. Here, what is the question? 4,275 into 125. See here, split 125 as 100 plus 25, but it goes lengthy multiplication. So for this also you split 25 also 20 plus 5. So here there are three numbers. So 4,275 into 100, write as 125 as 100 plus 20 plus 5. Next, multiply first with first plus first with second plus first with third. Now multiply 4,275, hundreds of 4,27,500. Here plus multiply these two, you will get 85,500. Multiply these two, you will get 21,375. Now add these three numbers, you will get 5,34,375. Understood? Now last question of this exercise. Last one, fifth one. Study the pattern. Study the pattern. Here, they given some pattern. Study this. First, 1 into 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 1, 2 into 8 plus 2 is equals to 9, 8. 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3 equals to 9, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 4 equals to 9, 8, 7, 6. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 equals to 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 equals to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next, write the next two steps. Write the next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? Can you say how the pattern works? See here. First we will see the patterns. We will see here pattern. Here 1 into 8 plus 1 is 1 into 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 into 8 plus 1 is 9. In second step, 1 in 1 2. 1 2 into 8 plus 2 equals to 9, 8. In third step, 1 2 3. Here one number increasing and the 8 is this column is remaining same, and here increasing by 1. Continuous number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next two steps 6 and 7. Here 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 goes reverse. Is that going reverse? Continue. See here. What they ask, write the next two steps. See here. What will come next two steps? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step is here. I will write. Next step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step is 6. Next column 8, 8, 8, 8 as it is remaining same. So 8 plus here increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6 equals to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Here 4. Yes. Now this is one step. They ask two steps. So second step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 as it is plus add 7 equals to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So these are the next two steps of this pattern. Next two steps of the pattern. See here, observe first column, second column, third column and fourth column. Here, in first column, increasing by 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, continuous number. In second column, remaining as it is 8 multiplied by 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and then also there also 8. Next, in third column, 1, 2, 3, continuous number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 steps, 6 and 7. Here, the last column 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. In next 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So these are the next two steps of this question. Dear students, hope you understood this one. From this, we have completed our exercise 2.3, and this the last exercise of this second chapter, that is whole numbers. If you have any doubt, please ask me in my WhatsApp group. So, in further classes, we will start first chapter. Okay? Thank you.